How to order a new Cash App card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to order a new Cash App card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will find different options that you can use for different areas of the app. From them, go to the bottom menu here and tap on this option with the card icon. This page appears where you can find options that you can use to make changes to your current card. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, you will see more options. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Design a New Card. After that, you will land on this page here where you have to choose your card style. There are different card styles here as you can see. You can choose between classic styles and metallic styles. So go through them and choose any. I will choose this style here. You will then land on this other page. As you can see, the new card will cost you $5. You have two choices here. You can either customize the card if you want to make it look unique, or you can proceed and order the card. I don't need to customize mine, so I will proceed and order it. To do that, make sure you tap this option here named Order Card. After doing that, you will be taken to this other page. On this page, Cash App is asking where they should send the card. So you have to provide the address where you want your card to be sent to. Do that and then tap here, Next. You will then be asked to choose how you want your card to be shipped. You can choose between two options. One is standard while the other is expedited. The first option is free and it takes between 7 to 10 business days. So if you can wait that long, choose it. The second option is for you can't wait that long. It takes about 2 to 4 business days. So go ahead and choose it, but it is not free. After choosing the method you want, then proceed and tap here, Next. Finally, this page appears where you have to check and confirm if everything is correct. After that, proceed and tap here, Confirm, and you will receive your card after the number of days you choose to wait for it. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to order a new Cash App card.